and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some buffalo cauliflower. Now I know a lot of people like to eat it for appetizers when you go to your favorite restaurant, but if you can't make it out, I'm going to show you how to make it at home. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. It really means everything to me. And don't forget to turn on those notifications just in case when I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So this recipe is going to be super easy. So I already took a head of cauliflower and I already chopped it up into florets. And I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to make a really quick, easy batter. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add a half a cup of flour along with a half a cup of water. And I'm going to flavor the batter with 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and of course with some sea salt and some black pepper. And now I'm just going to take a whisk and mix everything together. So the batter is all done and I'm just going to take all those cauliflower florets and I'm just going to add it to the batter. And so you just want to take a spoon or a spatula and just make sure that the batter coats the cauliflower really good. So this is what the cauliflower looks like, and now I'm just going to grab a cookie sheet and I have some foil and I'm going to coat it really good with some nonstick spray so that it doesn't stick, and I'm just going to apply all the cauliflower on top of the cookie sheet. And just quickly, just take the spatula and just spread the cauliflower out so that it's nice and even so that when it cooks, it comes out crispy and it doesn't steam. And remember, halfway through baking them, you want to give them a good flip so they can get crispy all the way around. So I went ahead and I preheated the oven at 450 degrees and I'm going to let these cook for 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes of baking in the oven, this is what my cauliflower bites are looking like. They look amazing. Now you can make your own buffalo wing sauce if you want to, but if you want to make it easier for yourself like I did, I went ahead and I picked a bottle up from the grocery store and I'm just going to take a brush and just start brushing my cauliflower bites with the sauce, and you can put as much as you like. Okay, so I'm going to put my bites back into that 450 degree oven and I'm going to let them go for another 10 minutes. My buffalo cauliflower bites are fresh out the oven. They look amazing and they smell amazing. I wish you guys can smell these. So make sure to eat them while they're nice and hot out the oven. You know, 4th of July will soon be here and it'd be a great snack to make, you know, during the summer for all of your summer gatherings. It's really, really simple. But we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this recipe with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me, take a picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.